Welcome back. In this video, we'll implement the sign out functionality and get the current user ID. I'll start by creating a new method named as getCurrentUserID. This will return Firebase auth.getInstance.getUID. As said before, Firebase auth.getInstance, this part initializes the Firebase authentication system and returns an instance of Firebase auth class, which is the entry point for all Firebase authentication operations in your Android app. GetUID, this method returns the UID of the current authenticated user. The UID is the unique identifier assigned by Firebase Authentication for each user when they sign up or authenticate in your app. And to implement the sign out functionality, we need to create another method. I'll make it as public and I'll name it as sign out. This method will call again Firebase auth.getInstance.signout method. Sign out method is called when the Firebase authentication instance logs out the currently authenticated user and terminating their session. By the way, we can move all these codes to a new class called Firebase Manager in order to make the repository more clean. But since there's no complex codes to manage here in the repository, I'll keep them. So we have Firebase anonymous authentication, get current user ID, and sign out methods for the authentication.